Hello Kevin, it's Rob here at Vos Motors, taking this video especially for you of these two beautiful BMW R1200Rs. This is the bike originally you were inquiring. 2016 R1200R with a 6,500 kilometers on it. We sell it for 13,488, including safety. The motorcycle is in absolutely perfect condition with fresh oil in it and is ready to go. The other one, I have a 2015, same model, blue in color, with the 3,900 kilometers on it for the same price. So we have two to choose from, and the difference is this one comes with the engine guards. This one does not have it, but this is 1 year newer, and that's why they are the same prices. If you have any questions, please call me back at 905-660-2901, extension 212, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Or you can just come and take a look and check these bikes in person. Thank you.